My name is Yehuda. I'm the CEO and co-founder of DOV. Retailers and brands are trying always to engage with consumers. Everybody knows today, especially in China, that the way to engage with the consumer goes directly through the mobile device. The situation that exists today is that retailers and brands have multiple interfaces to the consumer. Those include the POS, the radio advertisement, speakers in malls, TV advertisements, digital screens inside businesses, e-commerce platforms for small shops and also for the big ones, and automated vending machines. All of them interfacing the consumer. The problem is that there is no interface for the mobile device of the consumer. This is exactly where DOV steps in. We see a very simple yet common denominator to all of these platforms and many, many more. All of them have a speaker. And using our technology, you can use any speaker that plays music to engage with your mobile device. DOV uses ultrasonic sound waves that any speaker that plays music can emit. Our human ear cannot hear, but our mobile device can easily pick up. And we use those in order to interact and engage with the mobile device of the consumer.
From the beginning of time, all creatures communicated through sound. Millions of years of sound evolution, all eventually leading to this.
I'm going to stay home. I will stay home.
Meet DOV, the next generation of mobile device communication. Using ultrasonic waves, you can now connect any mobile device to any electronic device. Why? Well, because when machines speak to each other, your life becomes easier. You won't need a credit card because you could pay with your phone at any cash register in one safe, fast, and convenient click. Screens will know you and make your life easier. And remote controls will be a thing of the past. You could forget about someone stealing your usernames and passwords because you could log into any website with extreme security using just your mobile. And your web purchases will become faster, safer, and easier. No details needed. The internet will seamlessly start offering you more. Good things will magically happen to you throughout your day. And you could even get your favorite soda faster and easier. See the point? Humans have been speaking to each other for years. It's about time our machines started too. DOV, mobile connectivity. Any mobile, any endpoint.
DOV provides a solution which is a software that you can add to any mobile app, a digital wallet, or a reader application. And our software basically provides you with engagement capabilities. Within our package, we provide two essential capabilities. One is short distance communication, up to 15 centimeters, typically used for payment, login, authentication cases that you need a very defined proximity. And our second capability is long-distance communication, which is up to 15 meters from a single speaker. This is typically used for sending promotions or notification. And what is interesting about this capability is the fact that we can run it on the background of the mobile device without requiring the user to even open the app. So it basically pops a push notification at the very right time when he passes by the shop or the advertisement. Let me show you a few examples. And when we talk about mobile promotions, this is the natural environment. You're watching TV, you're seeing advertisement, and obviously the advertiser would like to engage with you because when promotion starts, we immediately open the mobile device or the tablet. So we have done a very unique first in the world campaign together with the Coca-Cola company in which you see the Coke, you want it, you get a push, you touch it, and simply it comes to your home. We did it with an Israeli similar to Didi or Uber app called Get Taxi, and I think you find it interesting. And of course, when doing such a campaign, you don't have to stay at the broadcast level. If you know something about your consumers in the app, you can make it personalized or categorized and send a message, for example, for this teenager at the big brother and not his parents. Or, for example, send his little brother the message that interests him. This does not limit at the TV, of course. We have speakers everywhere. We have speakers inside shops. The infrastructure exists. It's already there. We don't need to add more hardware. And we can use it to play ultrasonic promotions, either as a silent file that nobody hears, but we can also mix it with music. We have an easy-to-use web tool that you can upload MP3 or WAV file and get it encoded with ultrasonic and just play audio and ultrasonic together for the person and for his mobile to receive the coupon at the very right time. When you have a digital screen also inside the business, we can even gain another engagement, and that's a personalized engagement using the screen. I'll show you a clip for MWC Barcelona this year, where we've done a cooperation together with Amdocs, and we have demonstrated a futurized retail environment in which you walk to the shop, you get a push, you see your face, and the merchant also see the information about you so he can offer you a relevant offer.
So let's go to the store to collect the item as I just received a notification for that they are ready. So the first thing the customer will see when he enters the store, it's the welcoming TV screen, welcoming him, saying that the product is ready, without the need to use Bluetooth technology or anything like that. We're using here a very unique technology based on ultrasonic sound waves encoded with data provided by a partner of us called DOV. My microphone of my mobile device is collecting the data that is being encoded and sending the information to the store, even before the customer is in the store itself. This is very unique. This is a great user experience for retail stores to provide their customers.
And of course, last but not least, the most growing POS today, the e-commerce. We can embed a simple audio file inside a website, and it will automatically interact with mobile devices of people who watch that website. When we talk about payment solutions, DOV's short distance solution is very suitable for point of sales. It's a very low cost upgrade for a point of sale. And the process is very similar to scanning a QR code. It is just a little bit easier because you don't have to do anything besides wave your mobile at the POS. We have started and did a cooperation together with the Coca-Cola company for mobile payment on vending machine. And together with them, we've developed a product that allows you to do three things altogether. One is mobile payment for the short range. The second thing is sending replenishment information and status from the vending machine to a data center. And the third one is using those point of sales that are in millions out there, using them as a billboard, sending a promotion to a pedestrian walking nearby, telling him, would you like a Coke? Would you like to get a discount on your next beverage? Right now, this system is embedded in Nespresso in Finland with a mobile wallet called Nespresso Pay, and it's available on App Store and Google Store. And you can see it in action in this clip. It basically identifies the consumer language, answer him in the right language, tell him to select, and he's getting the product. Very easy. And of course, the upside here is that we are not limited to any mobile device brand or even features, because microphone exists in very, very old mobiles as well. So any mobile is suitable for that. And of course, mobile to tablet or mobile to mobile, peer-to-peer transaction are possible as well. This is, I'll show you a demonstration we did in MWC 2015 last year, again together with Amdocs, in which we show an online order using the mobile and then authenticate yourself at the store when you pick up the goods. This is how it looks.
Hi, we're at the Amdocs MFS Cafe with Maya Barquet, who's going to explain to us how exactly you order a cup of coffee with your mobile phone and wallet. Maya, to you.
Great. Hi, everyone. So what we're going to do exactly is we're going to demonstrate how seamlessly it is to order a cup of coffee with the click of a couple of buttons. Okay, so let's see what your fancy is. I think I'll go for a traditional drink. Let's go for a cappuccino purchase. Submitting in the order. If you look up on the screen there, you're essentially seeing a replication of the POS environment at the merchant point of sale, behind the scenes at the cafe. And here, my order has been captured at the POS environment. Now I'm waiting for someone to make me a delicious cup of coffee. Here we are. My order is in fact ready and it has been captured. And now what I'm going to do, without needing to integrate any sort of technology, as you see, this is a pretty simplistic phone that I'm using. I'm going to authenticate the transaction. And hence, here I am. My order info has been captured. I authenticated via ultrasonic high-frequency audio waves that can be used by applying no additional POS technology, no additional POS systems that need to be integrated at all at the merchant point of sale. This is a simple speaker that costs no more than $5.
Yep, that's how easy it is. And again, you can use it also to complete a transaction in front of an e-commerce website. The interesting thing here is that you don't need even to log in to the website. It just generates the codes, you receive it the same way you receive from the point of sale, and you complete the transaction using your wallet. To sum things up, we're providing mobile payment capabilities in all point of sale platforms, the traditional point of sale, the TV sale point of sale, and the website point of sale. And the same goes for mobile engagement, same environment, but with a big emphasis that we also provide, in addition to the ability to send you a push or a trigger, is analysis about who received what coupon, through which media channel, when it was received. All of this information are very useful information for the retailer to understand his business, to understand his customer. Regarding our advantages, it works on any mobile, Android and iOS. It's highly secure for payment. The user do not provide any information whatsoever out of his mobile device. He only receives an invitation for a business offer and accept it or not. It's very easy to use. It's one-tap pay. And for promotions, you are simply passive. You don't need to do anything. And the fact that we use speakers gives us the benefit that, first of all, speakers are everywhere. They have the best coverage of any communication that you can think of. Secondly, even if you don't have a speaker at some spot, speakers are very low cost. And last but not least, the fact that they're spread everywhere gives the consumer a coherent experience at home, in front of a website, at store, so you don't need to re-educate the consumer to do different things at different scenarios. This is a summary of the main or the most known customers that we're dealing with today. We're testing nowadays in Ali, inside Shake Shack. If you would like to see it, I can show you on your own mobile because all of you have it by now. After, we're working with Nespresso on vending machine. We're partners of Amdocs, and as a company, we are alumni of the Coca-Cola Bridge Commercialization Program and Microsoft Accelerator. We also have a company. We have a company in Israel and a company also in Shanghai called Dingyan, and we'll be happy to talk to you afterwards. We have a booth in the exhibition. So thank you very much. Thank you.